Okay, so now I'm going to show you the text tool. So I'm going to select the T right here and come up here and just click anywhere. And you can see I have this flashing cursor right now. And where I type, that's where this is going to pop up. So I'm going to type in Juno's name. All right. And right now, I need to actually select the Move tool again to get off of there so that I can actually move this. Okay, what if I spelled it wrong or I want to add something to this, like some more text? I can come down here to T again. If I select anywhere else, it's going to give me a new layer with new text. If I select right here, I can keep adding to it. Okay? So let's see. Juno is awesome, because she really is. All right. So now it's text, and you can do a lot of things with text that you're already used to doing. For example, I can come in here and select all, and well, I could delete it. I could change the font, okay? Or I can delete it all. Let's see, what else can I do? Oh, I can change the pixel size. So let's go ahead and just change this to 80. Okay, so now it's smaller, all right? Let's see, what else can I do? I can come back to the T, and as long as this layer is selected, I can change the font, okay? And I have a whole bunch of different fonts installed here. So let's just go ahead and install a different font, okay? Like this one, all right? And that's really big, and that's not quite working. So let's just go ahead and bring the pixel point down here to, well, the font point, to 40, okay? That'll work. So Juno is awesome. All right, and if I want to change the font again, I can just come up here, you know, whatever, Times New Roman, and I have a whole bunch of different versions of Times New Roman, and we'll just pick one. All right, and let's go ahead and bring our size back up to 90. Okay, so Juno is awesome. If I want to move this around, I have to click the Move tool, and I can now move this text around. Okay, easy enough. So let's see here. What else can we do with this? We can change the color. I can select T for text. Okay, now there's a couple of different ways I can change the color of my text. I can come up here to these controls and just change the text right here to a red, okay? Or to a whatever, to a blue. All right, I can click this sender right here, okay? And that will justify everything to the center. I can click back to my T here and click left justify, and as you can see, it lines up the J and the A, and you're probably used to these from working with, you know, Microsoft Word. Okay, like so. So that is the very, very basics of text. Let me show you some more options here with text. We do have these options right here, of course. Look at this one here for warping. Okay, I can actually, you know, warp it in an arc. Juno is awesome. Okay, that's so so bad looking. Okay, but anyway, let's see. We can also come up here to Window, Character. And we have all these different options right here, right, for our size and, you know, and if the font has the different things available like italics and bold, you can use those right here. It'll depend on the font that you've installed. Paragraph, check this out. If I move this over, see how it squishes the letters together? Okay, and if I pull it apart, it's pulling them way apart, all right? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and, that'll work just fine, just like that. You can actually squish the lines like so. See that? Okay. And there's times where, you know, you'll need to fit in when you're working on someone's logo, really fit that text in exactly where it goes. All right. And we're going to take a way deeper look at text later. I'm just showing you how the basic T for text tool works for right now. Okay. So bear with me on that. And let's see, what else can we do? We can stretch them. See that? Stretching the text, just totally ruining it, or squishing the text like so. Okay. So that's your basic text tool right there. Okay. Let's go ahead and delete that. Moving on down the list.